All right, folks, let's transform my hair from this to this using products from a locally made brand called Shade Naturals. Hey guys, it's your girl Nelly B, and let's work some magic on this head of mine. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my hair into sections. For me, working my hair in sections or putting any product into my hair in sections just makes it easier to deal with, and it also ensures that the product is dispersed evenly within my hair. My hair isn't thick, so 4 sections work for me, but if you have thicker hair, you're probably going to want to do 6, maybe 8 sections. It all depends on what you're comfortable managing. So the first product is the Hair Milk Moisturizer, and I use this from root down to my ends. It's a very light moisturizer. My hair loves this moisturizer. So I just apply it, plop it into my hair, and then I just pass it through from root to ends. Got some on my forehead there. And I'm using the praying hands method, and I'm also gonna rake it through. I love the smell of these products, and they take to my hair really well. So this hair milk is a boss. I'm following it up with their leave-in conditioner. Now their leave-in conditioner is a thicker consistency, and I don't particularly use this one on my entire hair. I just use this more on the ends of my hair where it's color treated, because I felt like if the leave-in conditioner is a bit heavy for me to use from root to end, so I focus it more on the lower half of my strands, the color bottom end. You can see a little bit of definition coming through there when I started putting this in. Smells so good, by the way. And then last but not least is the Dream Curls. Now you can use the Dream Curls on its own, but I also decided to use it on top of these products. I am such a clown. And you're gonna see as I put this in, my curls are gonna start popping. So I use this stretching method, then I start raking it through, and you guys can see already that definition is coming in. All the products have the same scent, which is a very fruity scent, and I love the scent of it. Yo, look at that. Look at that. Curls. And then once I'm done with the section, I just flat twist it to just kind of keep the curls intact and keep the hair out of the way. That way I can just focus on doing the other sections of my hair. So section by section, I go in, I apply the moisturizer and then the leave-in conditioner on my end, and then I go in with the Dream Curl to add some extra definition. And then while I flat twist it to just hold it in. After that, I go in with my satin line beanie. This is from Sewing is a Vibe. I got like 5 of these. Love them because they're just so cute. And I leave my hair for about an hour. Alright, so an hour has passed, and the reason why I leave it for an hour is because, you know, sometimes when you put product into your hair, it gets white. So I just leave it for about an hour to let that white residue disappear. And now I'm just going in to undo the twist, fluff out my hair a little bit, and see what the end result is. So this brand, like I said, is made in Trinidad and Tobago. The key ingredients come from avocado, coconut, and mango. This line was developed with the Caribbean island of Trinidad and Tobago in mind, selecting 3 of the most beloved, iconic, and nutritious fruits grown locally in our country. So coconut oil moisturizes and strengthens hair while reducing frizz, mango butter maintains softness and radiance, and avocado oil increases scalp health and reduces dryness. That is what I read on their website. So I'm just gonna put some edge control. I normally don't do this, but I mean, okay, we're doing it for the video. So I'm using some edge control and an edge brush, just tame the edges a little bit, and I'm just kind of fluffing it out and giving it a little bit of shape to how I would normally wear my hair like this. And listen, y'all seeing that? Y'all seeing these curls? I have very tight curls, and I love the definition. It's not too defined, but you can still see the curls, and I absolutely love it. Of course, shrinkage, but that's okay. overall, I absolutely love these products from Shade Naturals, and the best part is they're available in Pennywise. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.